Want to know the secret to getting fit and strong? It's easier than you think. Stick around, because I'm about to share some simple but powerful tips to help you build a body you'll be proud of. First, focus on strength training exercises like push-ups, squats, and lifting weights help build muscle and boost metabolism. Next, don't forget cardio. Running, cycling, or even brisk walking gets your heart pumping and burns fat. And here's a tip. Consistency is key. Aim to work out at least 4 to 5 times a week, mix it up, and keep challenging yourself. Plus, nutrition matters. Fuel your body with a balanced diet full of lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of fruits and veggies. Want more tips like this? Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Finally, remember to give your body time to recover with proper rest and sleep. That's how you get stronger and avoid injuries. If you're serious about transforming your body, stick with these tips. Please like, share, and subscribe for more.